Hello everybody, welcome back to G-Double Computer Tutorial channel. Yeah, in the previous lesson I taught you about heading in HTML program. I showed you how you can use heading in HTML program. This is the simple program that we already done in the previous lesson. So if you missed it, please go back and watch it again. You will see how this program displays its output. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. In today's lesson, we're going to deal with another stunning, powerful, and very important concept, which is HTML paragraphs. We're going to show now how you can use the paragraphs in HTML program. HTML paragraphs. Right, this is our today's lesson. So now the paragraph tag offers a way to structure your text into paragraphs that are separated from each other by blank lines. You see, this tag is open paragraph, is used when you are going to start our paragraph. You see, and also you see this one is used by ending our paragraph. To add a several paragraph, each paragraph should be enclosed between open paragraph and close paragraph, right? This means that this tag is used when we open our paragraph, and also this one is used when we close our paragraph. So these are overview about HTML paragraphs. What you need to know here is to make sure that you understand how we start and close our paragraph statement. So without spend much from our time, let us go in coding section. Let us do the some example here about heading in HTML. So remember that our HTML program always start with this symbol, exclamation, and doc type, right? Doc type. Remember in the syntax of HTML. If also missed by that reason, all lessons are there. You can go back and watch it again. So if we finish it, write doc type, we also write HTML word like this, and then using this symbol to close our doc type statement. Then after this, we have now to open our head section, right? By right head here, and then we can now create title of our document. Yeah, here to create a title, we need also this tag title element. Then here we can now put our title here. As usual, we are using title which is welcome. Letters. Sorry, missed here I, right? Welcome, like this. Yeah, let us use today's title. Let us use the welcome in new lesson is our title. Then to close our title, we have to use this symbol and also title here like this. Yeah, and then here you can now close our head section, right? Head like this. Then after, you can now start our program. So our program will start with body section, body element, right? Body like this. And then you can now start to use our paragraphs. Remember, let me use heading to make a declaration of our paragraphs. Let me use heading to show that we are going to use paragraph like this. Remember, when we use heading, is used to display title and subtitles. And remember that heading 1 is one which is very large. Now we can use like heading number 3, which is somehow medium, instead of using heading 1. So this is the paragraphs lesson like this. This is our paragraph lesson, yeah, like this. So here I have to put here J paragraph lesson. Now let me start my paragraph, and remember that paragraph must start with this symbol, this element. I can now say this is a first paragraph like this, and also close our paragraph. You see, our paragraph must start with this element and also end with this one, right? So I can now copy this and paste it here. I can say that this is the second paragraph like this, and also I can copy all of these two ones and paste them here to show that this is the third paragraph, and this is the fourth, right? Yeah, so you can continue until reach for what you want to reach, but as example, let us stop here. Then after, we have to also end our body, right? And also our HTML document is ended here, HTML like this. So what you need to master here is to be aware of HTML syntax. So this is our simple program of using paragraphs, right? Let us now save our program and run it to show an output, to see what will be output. Let me change the name as paragraph like this .html. Please remember this keyword, yeah, and also it's saved in general information, right? It's already saved. I can now come here and go in this PC to find out the folder where I stored that document, which is paragraph. This is here. I can now open it. They are going to ask me how I want to open this document. I can use Microsoft Edge, Opera, Internet Browser, and other different web browsers here, but let us use Google Chrome and wait for an output. You see, this is our output of our program. Remember, for heading, I told you that heading is one which displays title and subtitles, but paragraph, it allows to write the statement in the form of paragraph, and each paragraph is separated from another by using blank space. You see, here is blank space, also here blank space, also here blank space. So this is a simple HTML program that implemented by using paragraphs. And also, you see, this is our title here. Welcome in new lesson. So please, let us stop here. Let me tell you that please, if you are new here, your subscribe for this channel is very important. If this video is helpful for you, please make like and share it to your friends so as to access to this lesson easily. So let us end our lesson, and I will see you in next video where we discuss about how now we can use different fonts like underline, bolder, italics and others. So thank you. See you in next